In this video, you will see how to create a data source using an Excel file. Create a new data source, click the Add icon and select Data Source. And choose where you want to save your new data source. Give your data source a name and select how you want to connect your data. You can make your data source unique by uploading a display picture. Once you click Create, you will be taken through the steps for creating your data source. There is a huge list of connectors that Analance offers. For this video, we will use an Excel source. You can create a new connection and upload Excel files. And give the connection a name. Next, we'll have to select a sheet from the file uploaded. There is a preview shown to make sure that this is the data you want to select. Then give your dataset a meaningful name and click Finish. Now drag the dataset into the Data Source pane to consolidate your data source. There are a lot of operations to manage your columns. And you can choose the count of data you want to preview. Next is the last step of data source creation. You can also add filters to your data source. You can also apply rules and rule sets to your filters. These filters can be toggled on or off with a single click. There is an indication that shows you that your data source is connected in memory. Finally, click Finish to save your data source. Watch all our other videos to understand Analance better.